So, you know how you can't put a dictionary, an interface, or an abstract class as a serialized field? Odin Serializer can sort this out for you, bringing polymorphism into the Unity world. The serializer ships bundled with Odin Inspector, but it's also open source under the Apache license on GitHub. The catch, without the paid inspector, you don't get access to things like class picker for interface fields or the dictionary drawer. So you'll need to either buy the inspector, write your own picker, or use Odin Serializer purely for non-field serialization. Let's say I have an interface representing a weapon. I expect it to have a name, a damage value, and its own attack implementation. So I would have a sort class that implements this interface with some default values. The attack method will simply log that attacking with this sort resulted in this amount of damage. And I'll have another implementation of the interface, a bow. Same thing, different values and, most importantly, a different attack implementation. And I also want an enum representing inventory slots. Now I need a player, and the player will need a name. I'll name him Richard, because it's long for… never mind. I want Richard to have an equipped weapon, the type of which will be my interface. And he'll have a weapons inventory, a dictionary with inventory slot as a key and IWeapon as a value. Since Richard carries weapons with him, naturally he should know how to attack. So in his attack method, I'll invoke the attack method of the equipped weapon if he has one. And Richard will also need to know how to get a weapon from his inventory. All this method does is set the equipped weapon based on the inventory slot. Now, if I go to Unity, it wouldn't know how to process this. Without SerializeReference, it wouldn't know how to serialize an interface, and even with it, it'll need Odin Inspector or a similar tool to display a class selector. And even SerializeReference won't help us serialize the dictionary, although there are ways. The easiest way to delegate this work to Odin is to change the inheritance from monobehavior to serialized monobehavior from the Odin Inspector package. And that's basically it. Now everything Unity can serialize, Odin will handle. For example, the string will still be serialized by Unity, unless I explicitly tell Odin to serialize it. One last touch though. I want to be able to use those methods in the editor, so I'll add the button attribute to them. When I add the player component to a game object, you'll see this funny disclaimer. You're welcome to read it, but in a nutshell it tells you that with great powers comes great responsibility, blah blah blah. I'll dismiss it now. Now, Richard needs a weapon, but even though I can open the picker here and select any available implementation of the IWeapon interface, I won't do it just yet. Instead, I'll head to the dictionary here. By pressing the plus button, I can configure an element I'm adding to the dictionary. I'll add a sword as a first item, another sword as the second item, and I'll add a bow to the third slot. Now I can configure those items in the dictionary. I'll play with the values a bit and enter play mode. Take a look at the fields below the dictionary. Those are my buttons. Pressing on attack now will do nothing because Richard doesn't have any weapon equipped. So I can use the second method, select a slot and hit the invoke button. The equipped weapon field is populated now. But take a look here. It says that the first item in the dictionary is a reference to the equipped weapon. This means I can change values on either of them and the other will change as well. Now I'll attack. Notice the log. I'll switch the weapon to a bow and attack with it now. And here's another message completely. That's Odin Serializer in a nutshell. If you watched this long, smash that like button, subscribe, and enable notifications. More is definitely coming. Until then, keep on creating, and I'll see you in the next one.